YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I am so glad you guys are returning. Please hang around and see what's next.
Your word, mentally at the rest. I don't know where I went wrong, but I warned you, and you failed the test. So now I'm gone this way.
Looks like we have a lot of cleaning to do, but we can do it. Let's jump into it.
When all is over, you'll keep yours and I'll keep mine. This way, you won't disappoint me. This way, you won't waste my time. This way, I'll close the door. Consider this is my goodbye.
That's just like you. Why should I be surprised? Selfish and prideful and vain, unlike you. Every time someone dies, I'm left to deal with the shame. Put the time off, guiding God is command. If I'll never sleep at night, I'll remind you I saw you as a friend. But now we're done this way. You're out of my head now. This way, you won't play my life this way. When all is done, you're out of sight and out of mind. This way, you get what you wanted. This way, you can save your time. This way, you close the door and have your damn goodbye.
You're not looking for a mentor, I'm not looking for a friend. I mistook you for a general, what a waste of effort spent.
At least I know what I'm fighting for, while you're fighting to be known. Since you claim you're so much wiser, why's your life spent all alone? You're alone!
And unfortunately, I am still not 100% over this crud, so I am making it, and I hope you guys are also escaping it.
Today, for after all your this day, you sever your own head. This day, you cut the line. This day, you lost it all. Consider this is my goodbye. Consider this is my goodbye. This is my goodbye. Consider this is my goodbye.
I encourage you that if you are not already subscribed, please do so you don't miss out on any future content that might help motivate you.
Have you forgotten the lessons I taught you? Have you forgotten